A lot can change over time. For instance, did you know there are now 6 unique ways to pay your taxes to the Fairfax County Department of Tax Administration? Let's take a look at the many different ways to pay your taxes. Before you promptly pay, it's always a good idea to review your tax bill as soon as you receive it and have it with you as a reference during all payment methods.
Good morning.
Here to pay my taxes?
Option 1. Mail your payments in. Just remember to have it postmarked by the due date or before to avoid a penalty. Mail your payments with checks only. Cash will not be accepted. And please do not send any form of correspondence with your payment. Option 2. Call your payments in with your phone.
Welcome to the Fairfax County Department of Tax Administration's Automated Information.
All you need is a valid MasterCard, Visa, American Express, or Discover card. Just call 703-222-6740, listen to the operator and follow along. Third-party service fees apply. Option 3. Pay your taxes online. This can be done by going to fairfaxcounty.gov/DTA and following the links to the correct tax payment option. A third-party service fee is added to all debit or credit card payments. If you are looking to avoid paying a service fee but still want to make a payment online, it is best to pay directly through your checking account using an e-check, where your taxes are automatically debited from your savings or checking account. Just provide us with your bank's routing and account number. Each is located on the bottom of your checks. Both options must still be submitted by the date the taxes are due. It's simple, easy, and secure. You may also pay online using the methods just described by enrolling in the My Fairfax portal. The benefit to signing up to the portal is you will have direct access to your personal property and real estate information in one convenient location. Simply create a profile to view your tax history and pay your current bills, perform account updates, and manage paperless billing. Register for My Fairfax at fairfaxcounty.gov/myfairfax. Option 4. Pay through automatic installments. If you don't want to pay your taxes in one lump sum, you can prepay your taxes over installments. Just sign up for the automatic installment program. Please keep in mind that all taxes must be paid in full on or before the due date. This payment option allows you to have your payments automatically debited electronically from your bank account over an agreed period of time. Option 5. Pay your taxes with Fairfax County's mobile app. Fairfax County residents can now pay their taxes safely and securely any place or time using the county's mobile app on a smartphone. Another option is to scan the barcode printed on the top right-hand corner of your bill. Use the QR code reader on your smartphone to quickly and directly access the online tax payment site. Then, just follow the simple directions. You will be able to see your current balance due and any prior year taxes due. A third-party service fee applies for paying with a debit or credit card. For more information and a link to the app, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/news/mobile. And last, option 6. Paying in person. Visit the tax office at the Fairfax County Government Center, Suite 223, 12,000 Government Center Parkway, Fairfax, Virginia, 22035. Office hours are 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, except Thursdays. On Thursdays, the cashier counter is open until 6:30 p.m. If you are paying your car tax, you have a few more walk-in options. You may pay your car tax with cash at Shoppers Food and Pharmacy or Global Express financial centers throughout Fairfax County. For additional locations, call 1-800-989-6669. Choose option 3, then option 4. You must have your tax bill and pay the exact amount due. A service fee of $1.25 will be charged per transaction. Our payment options have never been this hassle-free, secure, and easy to use. If you need more information, feel free to call us at 703-222-8234 or visit our website for more details about the different ways to pay your taxes.